Hey friends, welcome to my channel Problem Solutions, and today we will be learning improper fraction topic. So first question comes to mind by reading this is, what is improper fraction? So improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator. So next question you wonder is, what is numerator and what is denominator? Numerator and denominator, these two terms. So let's take one example. We have 17 by 5. So in this, who is numerator and who is denominator? So 17 is numerator and 5 is denominator. So improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator. So this is proper example of improper fraction. So what is proper fraction? If we have like 5 by 17, that means that is proper fraction. But if vice versa, then improper fraction. So today we'll do one exercise. So let's move to that exercise. So okay, we have few examples that I'll go through one by one and how to solve those. So first thing we have is 19 by 5. We have 19 by 5. So for what we'll do first is 19, whatever is numerator, we'll do like this, and the denominator will do like this. So we will divide 19 by 5. So we'll divide that one. So 5 3s are 15, and we will have 4 remaining. So what we will do is this part. So this part you have to put it here. So this 5 will stay in below. You have to do like that. Okay, 5 will stay below. In this 5 will stay below. In here 4 will stay below. In 3 will stay below. Okay, we'll go one by one, but let's go up one by one. So 5 will stay here, and then 5 3s are, you have to multiply these two, and this one will be plus. So 5 by 3 is 15, plus we have remaining here 4, which will be plus. So 15 plus 4. Okay, so we have answer is 3 4 by 5. So if you do this, 5 3s are 15 plus 4, which is 19 by 5. So we get what we had originally here, this one. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions. Yep, in the comment you can add the questions if you have any. So we'll go to next, which is 21 by 5. So 5 4s are 20. You have to do minus, here also minus, which is 1. Okay, so we have 5, which is here. We have this one remaining, so we'll put it here, and left is 4. So 5 4s are 20 plus 1, which is 21 by 5, which we had originally. You can double check by doing this the calculation again. The next one is 31 by 4. 4 7s are 28, and 3 remaining, right? So 4 and then 7, which comes here, plus 3. Okay, and then 20 by 3. 3 6 are 8, 2. So 3 we have already in here. 6 plus 2, which gives us 20 by 3, which was we had original. Okay, so this is the answer. The answer for this one is 4, 1 by 5. Sorry if you guys can see it. This is the answer here, and this is the answer here, which is 6, 2 by 3, 7, 3 by 4. This one. Answer. And this is our answer. Okay. So this is improper fraction. You guys can practice whatever numbers with the numerator greater than denominator, and let me know if you guys have any questions down below in the comments, and I will get back to you. Thank you.